How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like if this video helps. Now let's head to the video. First, you open the Facebook app. On the top right, you'll find your profile icon. You click on that and click on the three dots here and your settings will open. Here you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on turn on professional mode. Make sure once you turn on your professional mode, your account will become a public account. So click on turn on and it will process the whole thing, and then click on next and confirm and click next. You basically choose whichever profile you want and then you click skip. Go to professional dashboard. Here once you go back, the three dots, once you go back, here you'll find an option on your profile of dashboard. You have to click on that, and basically here you'll be able to see whoever viewed your profile, how many viewers. Currently I have just made it public, so there is nothing. And here you'll be able to see detailed how many people viewed your account, engagement, audience of whatever new post you put, or any profile someone visits your profile. So this video helps you to find out who viewed your profile by turning on the professional mode, and you'll be able to see all the possible insights on your profile. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.